To successfully skyrocket your lead generation, you need a simple yet effective way to capture email addresses and other information. And lead generation forms can be the best means to nudge your website visitors and convert them into potential customers. In this video, we will show you how to create a lead generation form using Fluent Forms, the all-in-one form builder plugin for WordPress. To start with, click Add New Form from the Fluent Forms dashboard. Here, you find all possible types of input fields that you can just drag and drop. Now, you may already know, some lead capture forms have just a single input field and some consist of multiple ones. Since we want to create a simple contact form, we will take the name field, email field, and a phone number field. Let's add a country field as well to know our customer's origin. From the input customization option of each field, we can change the element label placements, or add a placeholder. But we are okay with the default, so let's keep them as they are. Let's face it, one of the major goals of lead generation form is to build a list of high-quality leads, more specifically, email addresses. So it will be best if we set the email field required, because we want to acquire as many responses as possible. But what about your email list overflowing with spam accounts? A list of million email addresses is no good if they are invalid or entered incorrectly. Again, Fluent Forms will take care of this. To do so, keep the email validation on for backend verification. You are collecting the user's personal data so that you can process and utilize them in future. So you want to have the user's consent along, like a responsible business owner. For that, you can add a GDPR agreement field. Here, in the description, break down the privacy terms even more specifically. Okay, let's customize the submit button text and sit back for a while. No, wait! We want to put a clear heading at the top to give our form a neater look. So, let's take a custom HTML field, grab a logo from Add Media. Next, write a short text for the leads. We will write WPManageNinja, and please fill out this form and we will contact you soon. Then adjust the font size and color. Alright, we are done. Wanna see how it turned out? Let's click Save Form and preview. Pretty good, huh? Now, you know what's the best part? All the input fields we used to make this lead generation form are available in the Fluent Forms free version. So what's stopping you? Start creating your own and let us know how it came out in the comment section. We would love to hear from you.